If you got it, it ain't a question.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a tutorial on how I achieve this mini twist. You will want to start off by parting your hair into 3 sections, making the back section a little bit bigger than the front sections. So next, you will want to moisturize your hair. So I'm using a leave-in conditioner and a shea butter to moisturize my hair. And if you have a coily cream or a coily mousse, you can use that, but I don't have that, so I twisted my hair like that. So next, you will just section your hair into the size that you want. So I wanted mine a little bit tiny, but not too tiny. You start off by braiding your roots a couple of times, like 5 to 6 times. I twist in a clockwise direction while making each individual twist tight. Like when I move in an anti-clockwise direction, I also twirl each section to make it a little bit tight. So for my parting, I always use my hand to gauge the size I want and to also check if the lines are straight. When I get to the middle part of my hair, I make the parting in a semicircle kind of way, like you guys can see right now. For the front section, I always make the parting straight. And I make sure I have a mirror in front of me to make sure the parting is a little bit cleaner than the back parting, because this is the front section where people mostly see. And yeah, I just repeat the whole process throughout the rest of my hair. And I'll let you guys watch the rest. And I'll come back to you to show you the final result. Now that I'm done twisting, I'm just going to use a hair mousse to set everything into place. This is how the twist looks like. It looks so juicy, it looks so yummy, and I love it. It's easy to do, it's easy to install. So now I just want to share with you guys how I keep my twists stretched throughout the duration I install them. So I'm just going to put my hair into a ponytail using a hairband, and then I'm going to use the hairband to wrap around my twist like you guys can see. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video.